Okay, so I'm driving, and we're going to go pick up some stuff. Kind of a newer style video, I guess. Not newer style. It's been a while since I posted a driving... Oh, my camera. Yeah. I'm not equipped for this, by the way. You know, this is basically me. I don't hardly prepare for a video. But we're going to go pick up a nice marketplace find, you could say. I'm usually, you know, always looking for items, you know, like video game stuff and toys and all that good stuff you've seen in previous videos like this. Anyway, found one, and they had more stuff. And me being me, how much for it all? So, I bought it all. It's Kentucky for you, the highways, you know, where they awful. So, I'm going to drive and try to miss all these big potholes that's in this highway. And I'll show you what we get. But that's it. That's basically the best I can do. Because if I keep hitting these potholes, the camera's not going to survive. So, while I was getting this, we got it, by the way. I'll show you just a second. I'll do an over-the-shoulder camera holder. Okay, I'm stopped, waiting to pick up the other stuff. But let's just dig through what we got back here. While we can. Can you see? Oh. So we got a Wii U somewhere buried in there. We got a Super Nintendo controller. Maybe that's good. Maybe there's stuff in there. I really don't know. I didn't look. I was seeing all this good stuff here and just figured we'll pick it up. We got games. We got stuff in boxes. Another Xbox One. A Wii U. 2 Xbox Ones. 2 PlayStations somewhere. That's 2. I don't even know what that's Wii U. Some games that's this only. PSP looks like. Gears of War controller. That's Xbox One. That's a nice controller. Guitar Hero. Always nice. We got some guitars too. One here. Another one down there. Somewhere. Like, yeah, not too bad. It's not too bad. It don't look too bad. I don't know. I don't know what all I got. It's something we have to figure out. So we'll pick up the other stuff. So hopefully it's good. It's a Xbox One. A laptop. Don't know what year. And I think a 360. Don't know conditions. Xbox One supposed to be in really good condition. The laptop. Don't know nothing about laptops, they said. So, you know. We just have to wait and see. The 360 I said was missing a faceplate, no hookups. Don't know if it works or not, can't remember. But they said they think it works. Big parts console either way, we can test it. Well, hopefully this turns out good and the camera ain't too artificial, you know, biting it with noise and stuff. But this is what we picked up today. It's another good haul. Let's go over everything quick because it is getting nighttime. So, what we have here is a Wii U hookup. I think it's complete. We got a memory card. We got a cell phone case, another memory card. This is another part of the Wii U. Xbox controller, PlayStation 2 controller, Xbox 360, Xbox One controller, a power brick for the Xbox. Some kind of laptop here. I don't know what it is or model it is. I don't know if it works. Got tons of games. Guitar Hero, another Hitman, The Godfather, whatever that is, McQueen, Guitar Hero, Metroid, Hitman, Mario Kart, Cars, all this. I'm trying to rush, guys. Nintendo Land, Colossus, Jackass the Game, pretty Xbox One, AV cables, Wii remote. I guess, does that work with a Wii U? Comment below. Some guitars right here. I guess that one uses a USB. The other one uses a cable, I guess. Here's some cables, another controller, a PSP, a Nintendo DS Lite, 2 PlayStations, 2s, you know. If I had a clean off, this would be a mint console. Games, don't know what's in them. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2. This sucks they ain't in the original case. Xbox One S, another Xbox system, another game. We got some Xbox One games. I say we're getting a box. We'll check everything when we transform over to a box. But for now, we're just going through, getting everything kind of organized. And I'll tell you at the end of the video what all this costed. Let's see, we got a Super Nintendo controller, PlayStation 2 games. I will go through personally and test all these. I guess I could show you what that one was. It'd be a hidden gem. Spider, never heard of it. More Grand Theft Autos. I thought that was new. Nintendo 3DS. More Nintendo games. Box. Rest of the Wii U. Put that there. Got that. Got Nintendo DS games. Another power brick. So we got both of those. PSP. Another Super Nintendo controller. HDMI cable. Don't know if this is a high speed, but looks pretty good. This is got an M on it. I don't know what this is. We put that there. This is a hand case. That's nice. A memory card. Type-C. Something else in this. Whoops. What's that? Guitar Hero for the guitar. Now I know the camera is not going to have a good whatever you call it, picture quality, because it's nighttime. I'm using the front, but all this you see here, $450. Let me know in the comment section below if you think it was worth it, or if you think it's just a money pit that it's not going to, you know, do any good and ain't going to make nothing off of it. And well, we can keep some of this for the personal collection, and you know, I don't know, we sell this or something. So hope you enjoyed. Drop a like, leave a comment. I will try to upload a cooking video here soon. We got a P.O. box now, and you know, we're covering from a hut foot, which is I shouldn't be walking on it, but it don't hurt no more. So does that mean it's better? I think that's how it works, ain't it? It was fractured. That's probably not how it works. Probably should still be off of it. But the stuff to do and videos to make. Thanks for watching.